Hello everyone. In this session, let us understand the concept of scanner class. Scanner class is used to accept the user input during the course of execution of a Java program. During the execution, when we want the user input, then to capture it, we can use scanner class. So to create the object of the scanner class, we will use scanner s1 is equal to new scanner. So s1 is the object name, you can use anything, and the constructor of the scanner class needs system.in as the argument. Also, scanner class is from java.util, so it is not auto imported. So we need to import it specifically. Unlike the other classes we saw like math class or string builder class, they are from java.lang package. Java.lang package is auto imported. When the execution kicks off, java.lang package is auto imported, so you no need to import it. So to use the object of string builder class, we never imported it from the java.lang package because it is auto imported. That's the only package that is auto imported. But if you want to use any class from java.util, then we need to import it specifically. Okay. Then with respect to this s1 object, we can say create a string str1 is equal to s1 dot next line. So this next line method will pick up the text from the next line and send it to the string variable over here. So whatever input user provides, that input from the next line will be captured from the console, and then that will be sent to this str1 variable over here. So let's put a message to the user saying that please enter a string, and then user will enter a string and that string will get captured into str1, and let us just try to display the string to the user in the console. Just let us see what we capture. Okay, so let's run this program, and then we get a message, please enter a string, and then I'm going to enter something like a b c d e, and then this abcd is getting printed from line number 20 where we captured it. Okay, so let's do a program. Let's say we want to get the string from the user, and then we want to reverse the string and then display the output. So instead of printing the string as is, let us just create a program to reverse the string. Now to reverse the string, we can use a for loop. Let us say for int I is equal to 0, because the index of the first character of the string is 0. Then I less than or equal to str1 dot length minus 1, because the index of the last character is length minus 1. So what we will do inside the for loop, we will start with the begin to the end of the string, and then we'll capture each character from the string using character at method, and then we will concatenate it with a temporary variable in the reverse order. So let's create another string, say temp, and over here I plus plus, and all we are going to do is we are going to say temp is equal to str1 dot character at index I plus temp. So what is going to happen for the first iteration of the for loop, we are going to get the first character. So say a, in the beginning temp is blank, then a plus blank will be a. In the second iteration we'll get the next character, that is b, so that b plus a will be new ba into the string, and so on and so forth. Next time we'll get the next character, that is c, which will get added before whatever is there in the temp. So c ba, so next thing will get added, that is cba, and likewise after all the iterations of this for loop, when we will look over here for the output, we will get a reversed string, and that is temp. So what we are doing, we are getting the input from the user, and then that particular user input, that particular string, we are reversing it and showing it in the output. So when we run this program, please enter a string. Let me do something like a b c d e again, and the reverse string is edcba. Okay, let's try again. Let's enter something like this, and the reverse string is just the reversed. Yes. Okay, so using scanner class, we can get the user input. Now, what if we want to get an integer input? You can do that. Say, I want to get an integer input into num1. So you can do something like s1 dot next int in that case. Instead of line, next line is used to get the string that is entered by user. If user enters an integer, then we can use next int to get that integer, or next double to get the double. This is about the scanner class. Very easy and very useful as well. To create the object, we will use scanner, and remember the constructor of the scanner needs this system.in